There we go, that is rosemary salt made. That is a perfect blend. Smells fantastic. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today, rosemary salt. Very easy to make, superb on meats and steak and everything. The tops on roast potatoes. Oh, it's easy to make. Come on, let's show you how to do it. Ingredients: rosemary and salt. Now it's very straightforward. It's sea salt and it's rosemary. So I'm going to just put a couple of tablespoons of sea salt in there, and then we'll add the rest in a minute because I want to be able to grind up the rosemary. So it's a couple of tablespoons. Now I like it slightly stronger on the rosemary flavour, and I will put in the ingredients 1 to 2 tablespoons. It's up to you. So I've got that in there. And we're going to add that salt in there on top of that, but it's all going to be ground together. And that's going on there, and that's going on there, and that is going on there, and that is rosemary salt. As easy peasy as that. That is a perfect blend of rosemary salt. There you go. That's how to make rosemary salt. It's that easy, that quick, save a fortune. And then all you do, store that in a container, in a bag, anything like that, ready for use. All the uses will be in the description as usual. So there you are, share with your friends, tell everybody how easy it is to make rosemary salt. Big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Catch you in the next video. Bag it. There we go, that is rosemary salt made. That is a perfect blend. Smells fantastic.